Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp in laptop or PC without QR code. So the very first thing you should do here is to go to any web browser and then download Game Loop. So you have to type here Game Loop, click the very first link, and then what you're going to do here is to download this one. Okay, you can also go to the search bar and then type WhatsApp and then download WhatsApp. So you have downloaded the game loop at the same time, also the WhatsApp application. So download, click download, and wait as it is processing. Now you will see this after you have downloaded game loop and also WhatsApp. All you have to do is to click that one, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes and then click open. Also, you have to make sure that game loop is compatible with your PC or laptop. So as you can see, welcome to WhatsApp. Choose your language to get started. So let me tap English here and then agree and continue. Now what you're going to do is to choose for the country, and then after that the number. So you have to enter the number here. Click next and they will ask for confirmation if this is the correct number. All you have to do is to click yes. And then after that, you just have to wait. And as you can see, we don't use any QR code here. It's just your phone number. And then after that, they will request a code. And what you're going to do is to type the code here. So it will appear to your other phone number. If not, then you can click this need help getting a code to be sent to your email address or other device that you have recently logged in. So enter the code here, and then after that, you can now open or use your WhatsApp as it is verifying. So here it is, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next videos.